So here's the real truth of what it actually means to be a successful trader. There's a lot of nonsense that goes on within the trading space, and I believe that most of this stuff is what's holding you back from being successful in day trading. So today we're going to be talking about some of the stuff that the gurus don't want you to know. So sit back, relax, and as always, enjoy the video.
I feel just like a rock star.
What's going on, guys? It is your boy Rico, aka RockStarr here, and today we are not going to be on the charts. We're not going to be doing any tutorials or trainings or whatever the case may be, but we're going to be going over something that is very, very important, and it's something that honestly has helped me so much in being a trader. It has helped me tremendously, and I know for a fact that if you guys stick around and watch this entire video, I know this is going to help you as well. But before we even get into that, you know what I want to do? You know what we got to do? We got to announce this week's comment winner. That's right, the weekly RockStarr giveaway, $50 giveaway, is going to The Given right here. This is the winner for this week's video. It's very simple. His name is The Given, and you are the chosen one, my friend. So very simple. He commented, "You are a big inspiration," and I appreciate the words, my friend. It's such a great, I would say, like a great feeling to know that, you know, I am inspiring some of y'all to become better traders, because trading is definitely like, it's a world of its own. It's one of those things where it's like, you hear a lot of negative things about it, you hear a lot of good things about it, you don't really know which one is real, which one is not, which one is true, which one applies to you, right? And that's what we're gonna be talking about in the video. But again, The Given, make sure you go ahead, you comment down below, and for your chance to be in the next week's raffle, very simply, all you guys have to do is comment down below for your chance to win $50. I do these RockStarr giveaways every single week, and all you have to do is comment below. I use a random comment picker to pick the names, and if you are chosen, you win 50 bucks. Now, one rule that I will say, it's very simple. If you are chosen to be a $50 winner, right? If you win the RockStarr giveaway and you do not claim your prize by the time I upload the next week's video, then unfortunately the prize is gone. I mean, if I upload every week, and we know this, and you haven't watched my video in a full week, you don't deserve the $50 anyway. But let's jump into today's videos, guys. It's very, very simple. Today I'm going to be talking about what it actually means to be a successful trader. And I want you all to really pay attention, because this is something that's helped me tremendously throughout my trading journey. And I know that if you all stick around to the end of this video, it will help you as well. And we're going to be talking about what it means to be a successful trader. And this is a very subjective topic, right? Success is a very subjective word in itself. It's like everyone has their own opinion of what success is for them, right? And we live in a world whereas today, success is seen as flashy cars, mansions, jets, jewelry, lifestyle. And when I say it's seen as that, I mean this is what is portrayed on TV. This is what's portrayed throughout the media, right? This is what's portrayed even in marketing. And as a marketer myself, right, I keep it 1000% real with all of my viewers. You guys should know this by now, but I'm in I Am Mastery Academy. I'm currently a Chairman 10 on my way to Chairman 25 in the company. So obviously, yes, I do some marketing, but here's what we see a lot of in today's world when it comes to trading. There's a big misconception that to be considered a successful trader, you have to be making millions of dollars. And here's the truth. This is what most of the gurus don't want you to know, is that most of them haven't touched a million yet. Now, I'm not saying that it's never gonna happen. I'm not saying that it's possible, but they drive around in these Lamborghinis and portray this lifestyle to make it seem like trading is so lit. It's the best thing in the world. You become a trader, you'll never again have to worry about money ever again in your life. And I wanna be the first to tell you, if you haven't already kind of came to this conclusion, if you haven't figured this out, it's just not like that. It's not that simple, right? And the people that are online that are posting these lifestyles, and I'm not saying it's bad. Like, I post lifestyle here and there too, you know, in the yachts, in the cars, right? I do it too, right? I travel a lot, but I want my viewers to understand, as a trader, as someone that came from driving Uber, right? This is what I used to do before I became a full-time trader. I was an Uber driver. I had literally just lost my job. I got laid off, right? I just had my first kid. I moved into my first apartment. I started paying taxes, right? Because my dad used to claim me, duh. But I started doing all these things, and it's crazy because right as soon as I started doing that, I got laid off from my job. And my job was paying me pretty freaking well for a 23-year-old kid, right? I was making, honestly, over $30 an hour for doing damn near nothing. But the job disappeared, right? They went out of business. And my thing was, well, what can I do to have a flexible schedule so that obviously, as you know, my girlfriend worked in a law firm, she's going to work throughout the day. What can I do to stay at home or spend as much time with my family as possible while I still learn how to trade and build my network marketing business? Well, it was Uber. And it got to a point where I was literally Ubering literally all day, all night. And I didn't even realize this, right? But I was just Ubering all day, all night to literally make money just to pay my bills. And some of you are living just like that. You may not be Uber drivers, but you're literally working to pay bills to do the same thing over and over and over again. And when we talk about being successful, I want you to understand the reason why a lot of you are not able to see success in the markets or not able to be consistent in the markets is because you're so focused on that lifestyle that you see online. You're so focused on the celebrities, on all these people on TV. You're focused on being that big 6 and 7 figure trader. And I want you to understand that that is not where it starts. You see, it wasn't until I started to set realistic goals in the beginning. There are some of you that are probably watching this video that has made a lot of money in the markets, and guess what? As soon as you made it, within a week, you probably lost the whole thing because it's that emotional attachment that you have to the money. And that emotional attachment a lot of the time comes from the lifestyle that we see all of these gurus portraying online. Now again, I am not against it at all. I'm really not. Listen, I like nice things too. I really do. I like expensive shit. I try not to flash too much, but I want you guys to take your focus off of the flashy shit. I want you guys to take your focus off of what everyone else is doing online. I want you to take the focus off of trying to quit your job today and just ask yourself, you know, how much money do I need to be making to make this worth my time? And what I mean by that, I always ask that question to people and they immediately go to, you know, more than what they're making at their job. And that cannot be the mindset. That cannot be the way that you think about this. In the beginning, especially if you don't have a lot to trade with, your goal should not be quitting your job right away. Your goal should be supplementing some kind of income, whether it's an extra $200 a week, whether it's an extra $500 a week. Back when I was Ubering and I blew dozens of, I blew so many accounts, it was crazy. But I finally came to the conclusion, I actually took a break from trading for like 2 months and I was just straight building in IM. I was just building. I came to the conclusion, I'm like, yo, like I've trying to make this fast money and trying to live this fast life because, yo, I've been trading for a year. I've been trading for 2 years and I still don't have the Lamborghini, right? No one's gonna believe that I'm a successful trader. Well, when I took my mindset off of that and I started to focus on, okay, well, I may not be at that level yet, but if I'm making $1,000 a week in Uber, what if I just made an extra $250 in trading? Maybe I don't have to quit Uber just yet, but what if I can do $250 this week? And I do that for the entire month. Well, that right there, that's close to an extra $1,000 for that month. See, this is where my mindset started to change because with an extra $1,000, that pretty much covered all of my bills aside from rent and my car, right? But like the household bills, the electric, the phone, the internet, the gas. So that covered a good majority of my bills and I can still keep more money into my trading account to compound and trade more the next month. The reason why I'm going over this and what I was talking about in the beginning as far as what it means to be a successful trader is very simple. Success is whatever you categorize it to be. You know, I just recently made a TikTok. By the way, guys, follow me on TikTok, okay? But I just recently made a TikTok and in my TikTok, you know, I had a few TikToks that went viral, but I see a bunch of comments of people that claim to know about trading. They're not traders themselves, but they claim to know about trading and they say things like, oh, well, if you don't have at least $10,000 in your account, you know, you can't make any real money. Or if you don't have $20,000 in your account, you can't make any real money. And these are the same exact people, and this is no offense to anybody watching these videos, but these are the same exact people that are making about $2 grand, $3 grand a month at their job. And this is before taxes, right? So you're making like $3 grand a month at your job before taxes. But you look at somebody that makes $2 grand a month in trading and you don't consider them a successful trader because they don't have the lifestyle. See, when I first started trading, I'll be honest with y'all, I don't even like trading. I literally only learned it to make money. And it works. It's a skill, right? You learn the skill, you never forget it. But I just wanted to quit my job. I was tired of working, man. I wanted to spend more time. I wanted to have more time for my family and for my network marketing business. I'm passionate about network marketing. I love it. So I wanted more time for my family and for my business, and I couldn't do that at my job. So in my mind, it was, okay, but what if I could just make enough to quit? Well, if I was only making about $3 grand, $4 grand a month at my job, well, then that's all I need to do trading. I don't need to make 6 figures to be considered successful. I'll say that one more time. There are some of you watching this video right now who is literally only making $2,500 a month before taxes. And you look at someone that's making $2,000 a month trading, and you don't consider them to be a professional trader because they only make $500 a week. It's your mindset that's holding you back. It's the way that you think that's holding you back. And for everybody that's watching this video, I say it all the time, but I want you all to really understand what it is that I'm saying. When I say, could an extra $600 a month help you out in any way, shape, or form? Could an extra $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month help you out in any way, shape, or form? I say that because I understand that for a lot of you, especially people not in the US, that is some pretty good income. And the beautiful part about trading is that you don't have to clock in for someone. You don't have to work 8+ hours a day to make that same $500 a week. You don't have someone in control of your income. Things like pandemics and not being able to go outside, they don't affect you as a trader. So when you look at someone that's making $3,000 a month at their job versus someone that's making $2,000 a month trading, I ask you, who's really the more successful person? So hopefully this video made sense to all my viewers here. And like I said, we're not on the charts today. We're not doing any how-tos or trainings or tutorials. Today was more about mindset. Today was more about really understanding, the word success when it comes to trading. You don't have to be, the millionaire guru to consider yourself to be a good trader, consider yourself to be a successful trader. And what the gurus don't want you to know, because they are all selling courses, is that you don't need the Lamborghinis, you don't need the houses, you don't need the wads of cash and all the naked women or naked men, whatever you're into, right? You don't need all of that stuff to be considered successful. Success in the markets is completely up to you and whatever your goals are. So stop looking left, stop looking right, and I need you to focus straight ahead on what it is that you're trying to do and how much money you need to be making in the markets to consider yourself a successful trader. So with that being said, guys, this is your boy Rico, aka RockStarr. Like always, give it a nice big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to share this with somebody else that might need to hear this information. And if you haven't already done so, guys, hit that subscribe button for your boy. I'll see you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.
Feel just like a rock star.